Hold on. Powerful Entertainment, Fishmouth Productions. Yo, who you, nigga?
You already know it's the one and only SK, Brooklyn or Harlem, all over. I'm about to lay it down real quick, something light. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to lay it down.
Who your man's right there?
Yeah. It's your boy Bang. Big cousin right here. Big cousin right here. Word of mother. You know.
What you got?
Yeah.
What you got? Get to him.
Let's go. Let me hear some. They call me J-U-B-A-N-G, gangsta nigga. I'm real hardcore. I ain't no wankster nigga. I was born out of Brooklyn, raised in the style, live my life in the streets. I was taught to do or die. Life in the street, time for clip. Niggas that was another homicide. Yeah. I know you scared, you best to run and hide, cause when I catch you niggas, I tear the soul out your eyes. They can look in these eyes, and I know you see the real nigga for real, nigga. Come and step up and get killed, nigga. Know that boy Bang got you open, B. I can tell, cause I see y'all niggas scoping me. I did one of y'all cats come approaching me like you got some intentions on smoking me. I won't bag that niggas up quick like roastery. Plus I got the 4 pound quick. Lay a nigga down.
Powerful Entertainment.
Yeah.
Peace to the nephew. Do your thing, man.
Something light. Y'all dudes don't want no problems with us. Y'all dudes don't want no problems with us. We throwing it up. Y'all dudes don't really want it with us. Y'all dudes don't really want it with us. We throwing it up. Y'all dudes don't really want it with us. Y'all dudes don't really want it with us. Yo, Ski's the beast. I stay with the hammers out. Okay, corral. We can start begging now. Grown man shit. Crystal spilling out. They say I spit when I talk. That mean pistol mouth. Get it? You better duck when them hammers blow, or get holes in your clothes the size of Cheerios. So Cheerio. Here we go again. Man, I'm so hood. The hood want me in the pen. Whoa. My whole life been a fucking sin. It seems like I'm still trapped in the fucking pen. I switch blades like I switch lanes, I put it in. The captain's back, salute me, nigga. Or get shots in your hoopty, nigga. I palm box, black suit you niggas. I pull up in a white coupe, the same color Snoopy, nigga. One shots in my koofy, nigga.
Real shit.
Listen, it ain't over yet. Listen. I'm trying to make niggas realize I put that thing in their face. And now I spin your head off with the ink and the pen. The 4/5 I have you flipping your Timbs. I put a slug in your fitted, had the sunshine peek through his brim. The young boss. Ski getting paper on the block. I haven't considered the fire hazard on the block. Cause when I start airing out shots, I make shit hot like baking soda when it's cooking in the pot. I'm a rookie and I'm looking for my spot. And even Biggie says sky's the limit, so I'm looking for the top. And that ain't even where I'm about to stop. I'm trying to live James Bond status, like throw some weapons in the drop. And your chick understand that I'm hot. That's why I had 2 Spanish chicks swallowing kids on the spot. You thinking it's a game till it pop? You bitch ass niggas behind the glass pointing niggas to the cops. A nigga play a thug till he shot. I put 6 in his stomach. Have him laying on his food when he drop. So I'm waiting for a nigga to stunt fam. I had a homicide come, have to scrape the blood off his junk boots. Your boy been labeled the gunman. I'm sending rappers on vacation and my bullets are suntan. Don't think it won't happen. Cause I've been on the block with the blicky on the hippie way before rapping.
Powerful Entertainment, Fishmouth Productions. It's real, nigga.
Baby, you already know.